So if I were to go ahead and let's say, for example, make a shape right here just like this, then of course I can go around and move it around by going around and then by dragging it by this cursor right here. But what you can also do is over here on the top, you can see the X and Y and the inches right here. So what you can simply do is type in 1 by 1 inch right here just like this, press enter, and then it moves on exactly to that value right here. So 1 inch right here. Apart from that, let's say for example you want to move it on the y-axis by ½ inch. In that case, you can go around and press plus on your keyboard right here and type in 0.5 right here just like this and press enter right here just like this as well, and then it simply goes around and moves 5 points right here. Let me just go around and let's say for example say minus right here and 0.5 right here, and then it moves minus 0.5 on the y-axis. Similarly, you can go around and say 0.7, let's say for example just like this, and that is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go around and type in the exact value for the width and height right here just like this as well. So there's 2 inch, there's 1 inch right here, and let's say I want to make this, let's say for example 0.5 inch, press enter, then you have 0.5 inch added onto it. And that is how you can change position and resize the objects that you have inside of Corel Draw by using mathematical symbols and values as you like to make it perfect. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.